Out somewhere music's playing something low, and stranger holds the one I love so. I was blind, did not see that you meant the world to me, but like a fool I stood and watched you go. Now I'm crying my heart out over you. Those blue eyes now they smile at someone new. Ever since you went away, cry a little more each day, and I'm crying my heart out over you. My room, it seems I hear you whisper and blue. Nailed your picture to the wall, heard your footprints in the hall, but I'm crying my heart out over you. Now I'm crying my heart out over you. Those blue eyes now they smile at someone new. Ever since you went away, cry a little more each day, and I'm crying my heart out over you. Yes, I'm crying my heart out over you.
Thank you so kindly. That's getting them all applauding back there. By golly, we'll have you putting your hands together before midnight. I hope so. How long does this go on? Till 11? About 11 o'clock. And as I said, it'll be a little dark here after a bit. The light company is a very small light company. I'll say it's the smallest in the area. It's right back here, one-cylinder engine, and it's doing a pretty good putting job. It's like that old car I had. I'll tell you, I called it a Rose Canaveral. Well, Johnny back here says, what do you call it a Rose Canaveral? It's a Rolls Royce. I said, no, this car I got it. He said, well, how'd you get that name? Well, I said, the darn old thing rolls down one hill but can't roll up the other. So I call it a Rose Canaveral. So how would you like to sing one first? Yeah, I hate to ask you to do that. We haven't practiced since we played Friday night up there at the Two Top. I'm going to thank the folks who come out up there. That's the worst place in the world to get a crowd. They booked me. I thought it was on Saturday night. It was on Friday night. But we had a nice crowd up there. We booked two fairs. The fair over in McConnellsburg and the Franklin County Fair. But we still had a nice crowd, had a wonderful time, and I don't know whether we'll be back up there in September or not. Haven't heard from the guy. But anyhow, sing it for me.
All right, cousin, we'll do one called Mary Dear.